2024, Nike caught fans off guard by announcing the return of the Pro B, an early forerunner to the SB Dunk, for the first time in nearly 2 decades. While classic Pro B colorways have steadily reappeared, Nike's latest release is more of a tribute than a true retro. The Nike Dunk Low Smurf draws clear inspiration from the coveted Pro B Smurf edition, reimagined with contemporary updates for today's sneaker audience. Although it doesn't replicate the original exactly, opting out of the gum sole and using different materials, the resemblance remains unmistakable. The upper features a full suede construction, with hairier textures on the overlays and finer suede beneath, all cloaked in signature blue tones. With original pairs fetching over $2,000 on the resale market, this $120 retail version offers a much more accessible option. Whether you're a longtime collector or new to the dunk scene, the Smurf delivers heritage vibes with modern flair.